Oh, hey, sorry about that. I was just gonna do a demolding of this thing. Got this predator head foamed up, it's cooled off. So now I am going to demold it. Now you guys need to remember, this is the original head form that the mold was taken from. All cardboard and epoxy, see? No recasting, just molding. Now the real work will begin when this thing gets taken out of the form and it is successful. Peel it all the way back. Now if I rip this silicone sleeve, it's not going to matter, because if this is successfully molded, which I think it is, and I'm pretty sure it is, all the clay work that goes on top of this is going to be done, and that's what's going to ensure that this does stay a good form. Come on, come to daddy, that's right, there you go. Come on, there we go. Come to papa. Come to daddy. I got a little bit of a leak right here on the front. A little bit of a leak right here, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. As long as it's a general shape, that's all I care about. And it's got plenty of head space here to where I can mount this on something like a rod or a stand. I can put it on taxidermy stand, or just put it on a pole and mount it. And it will work for all intents and purposes what it needs to be done for. And we'll peel it off. Yeah! The only thing that bothers me on this thing is I do know that, come on. Come on! You waiting for it? Do it! Let's go! Do it! I just get a knife and cut this thing, I'm telling you. Get a knife and cut it. Hang on a second, I'll be right back. I can get a knife and get my mold cutter thing. Where is my blade? Shit. Fuck me. Give me a pair of scissors or something. Shit. Well, I got a silicone mold knife and I can't find it, so what I'm going to do is end up cutting it with this. And it'll be alright because it's thick enough that if I have to go back together, I can very well do that. But I'm telling you, this is indeed a success, because of the simple fact that when I molded it, I did 2 pours of this foam, and it expanded way well beyond what I thought it was going to. Ugh. Cut and clip this thing so you guys can see it. And I'm not worried about losing this mold form, the silicone sleeve, because like I said, once I get this done, lay clay on this, I will have all the details sculpted in there, and then I will have to re-sleeve it. So in re-sleeving it, it will have to come out next to perfect. So what I have now here is a damn near perfect predator head. Damn near perfect, just about. Perfect. I'm going to add more detail to this thing. Slip it out because I've got some underhangs and shit. Oh, come on. Don't you dare pop off and break. There we go. So yes, have a little bit of a loose piece here, but you know what? Not a problem at all. You know why? Because this can go right back on there. It can be sculpted in clay, and or I can just put this foam piece right back on there. Boom! And I've got a, whoo, son of a bitch. Yep, there we go. Damn son of a bitch. Let's go get out of there. Shit. Ugh. Well, what do you know? There's some clay left in there. So not only did I come out with foam, but I come out with clay and tape on a piece. So, basic head form right here, that right on there. So I'd say it's a success. All I have to do now, mount this thing, put clay on there, sculpt in details, probably put about a ½ inch or so of clay on here, and I have to shape this foam a little bit to get some areas of the mouth and stuff to form out right, but I can also do that with clay. Got the eyes and the whole thing. So now I have a form, lightweight, that I can simply just mount on and stick on there, and then mold with clay and then re-sleeve. And that's where I'm going to take the action figures I've got in the back, my back bedroom there, and just make a brand new, all new Predator head from what that was done. So there you go. So, success on that. Now just to find some time where I can do that, and I got that already done and ready to go. I'd probably glue or pin some pieces on here. If not, just sculpt them with clay. So, no big deal. And done pretty well. So, there we go. Failed before, but like I said, all failures lead to success somewhere down the road. Appreciate it.